Hey everybody, how's it going out there? Sean here, and what we're going to do today is we're going to try a little experiment. We're going to experiment and try to get a, I don't know what you want to call it, jar pulse jet, jar pulse engine, whatever. We're going to see if we can make it work. We'll go with jar pulse engine. And I got a couple different size jars here, and I don't know which one will work. I went ahead and I drilled a 1/2 inch hole in this one and 3/8 hole in both of these. We'll see if it makes a difference with any of it or whatever. So here we go. Alright, I brought two different things. I went and I bought some heat from the local run-ins in town here, and also have some rubbing alcohol that we'll try if this doesn't work. But we're going to go ahead and try this first. What I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and try the spaghetti jar first. I'm going to take this plastic off, or paper off, so y'all can see it better. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit in here, and then we're just going to experiment, and I'm going to light it, and we'll see what happens. That should work. We'll put some air in there. Lid on, stir it real good. I'm gonna go ahead and shake it, get the fumes going in there. All right, here we go. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna go ahead and light it. Well, that looks like it was a fail. I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these other jars here. We'll go with the smaller jar. I'm going to move this aside for a little bit. Try this one out. Put some air in there. And shut it. Shake it out. Is it going good? Alright, well, here we go. Let's try it. Well, that didn't quite want to work. I'm going to go ahead and try this one. See if we can get it to work. Put some heat in it. Alright, let's light it. Almost. Not quite. Alright, I'm going to try this one again. I'm going to put a little more heat in it. I think it should be good. See if we can get that to work. Not quite. Let's try this one again. I don't know, maybe I'm not putting enough heat in it. I'm going to pour the rest of this out, and we'll just pour from the other jars back and forth if we can't get this one to work. Shake it around a little bit. Alright, let's hope this one works. Alright, what I think it was is I had too much of the stuff in the jars, so we're going to try it with this lesser amount in it. Well, that's about the most success I've had. We'll try it again. After it cools off a bit. We're going to try with this spaghetti jar, see if it works better than that little salsa jar there. Nope, not really. So I believe our jar of choice would be the salsa jar. So let's try this again. A little more heat. Alright, let's try this jar one more time. Then we're going to go ahead and try the rubbing alcohol, see if it works better. Alright, so we're going to try the rubbing alcohol now. I'm going to pour this stuff out of this here in just a second. And then I'm going to go ahead and just use your regular 50% alcohol. I don't know if it's going to be flammable enough or not, but we're going to go ahead and try it. Alright, so I'm going to pour this in here like this. Just leave it right there. The cap on it. Probably should put a little air in there. Go ahead, give it a little bit. Shake it a little bit. Alright, let's try this. Nothing on that. Maybe we should put a little more alcohol in it. Alright, let's try this real fast. Nothing. Maybe if we pour a little bit of this out. Let's see, where should I pour it? And then we put a little heat in it. Then we'll try that, see if that does anything. Nothing. So we'll put that aside. Try this spaghetti jar one last time. If I can't get it to work, all I could get it to work was that one time for a couple of seconds there. Well, y'all, I think I'm going to quit trying. So we got it to work a little bit, but that was about it. Y'all go ahead, like the video, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll try to get some more videos up for y'all later. Thanks. Well, y'all, that was pretty much a fail. I used what I had on hand, and that was all I had, but if you would buy some rubbing alcohol or something with a little bit more alcohol percentage in it, it would probably work a lot better. It did work. We got it to work with a small salsa jar here, only for a couple seconds though. But y'all get the point. If you come up with something better, or you want me to do a certain video or whatever, just let me know in the comment section. Go ahead, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll look at getting some other different videos on here for different things and whatnot. But thanks for watching, and have a good day.